To address stick drift on your PS5 controller, try the following steps. Number 1, clean the joystick. I had to start there. Use compressed air to blow out any debris around your joystick. You can also use a cotton swab lightly dipped in isopropyl alcohol. I'll leave those words in the description to clean around the base. Number 2, reset the controller. So turn off your PS5 and then press the small reset button on the back of the controller using a paperclip. Hold it for about 5 seconds. Number 3, adjust dead zones. In the PS5 settings, go to accessories and then controllers and adjust the dead zones for the joystick. Number 4, update the controller firmware. Ensure your controller is updated by by connecting it to the PS5 and checking for any available firmware updates. Number 5, consider a repair or replacement. If the problem persists, it may be a hardware issue. Contact PlayStation support or consider replacing the controller. These steps should help resolve stick drift issues. All right? See you later, all right?